Hi guys, it's Am, and I am looking to harvest this lower bin from my stackable set over here. And for me, I usually will harvest when we get to this point, even though there's still some flecks left and there's clearly a bunch of worms all over the place. For some reason, this particular set of bins, I don't even feed the underneath side, but I still get a lot of worms under here, which is great, you know, doing the job. Find cocoons under here and the whole 9 yards. But it's kind of getting to the point where there's a lot of worms, and I'd like to get them working on something new. So right now, I'm just kind of doing that pre-fluffing of the bin to see if it looks like something I can use my 1/2-inch screen on to at least get it partially done, so that I can move the worms out and let the castings dry out so I can sift it farther. Oh, we got a little pretty reason. Oh, darn it, lost it. Nope, there it is. Almost, I don't even call them ripe, mature, lost it. Okay. So this is a red wiggler / European night crawler bin. And we've got our little worm buddies in every size from A to Z. Tiny little wisps to granddaddy worms, as the neighbors' grandkids call them. Big granddaddy worms. Yeah, when the Africans grow all the way up, they're gonna freak. So for me, this is good enough to do the preliminary harvest and sift. Here's one of the little worms, or the eggs. So the egg in question is right there, and I think the camera is creating its own shadow. Yay! And then this is a really nice, almost ready one. Hopefully you can see that. So I'm gonna do the first part of the harvest here through the 1/2-inch screen. This will get most of the worms out. Then I can restart this bottom part here with more shredded paper and leaves and coconut coir. So you don't need to see this whole thing, but I'm going to leave you running, and then I'm going to practice doing my time-lapse editing and see if I can do that. All right, well, this is the bin that I'm going to start up just about now. And this is 50% ground leaves and 50% junk mail. And I just took all the bedding out of here and got the worms out. And this is what's left. As soon as I am able to sift this down some more, I will put the leftovers from the sifting. I will put the leftovers from the sifting back into the bin from which it came. So 50% leaves, 50% shredded paper, moistened with worm tea that has been sitting for about a week. All right, now we shall do the big reveal. Here are all of the worms that came out of the bin. I also managed to pick out 100 of the castings. Ooh, there we go. Worm ball. It's just so darn satisfying. Look at that. They're so wiggly and happy. Who wouldn't want to be a worm? That is the life of luxury there. All right, wormies. Well, you've got work to do. I've got work to do. I'm going to just cover you guys back up with your new stuff. And I will finish sifting and give them a top up on their bin here. All right, that has been the harvest update. Thanks for hanging out with me and my worms. Like and subscribe.